Now we can study the relationship between zeros and coefficients of a polynomial. For a linear polynomial ax plus b where a not equal to 0, you have studied that only one 0 is there. So that 0 is negative constant term by coefficient of x, that is negative b by a. For example, 2x plus 3. For this, how we can find the 0? Just you are equating to 0. 2x plus 3 equal to 0. So we can find that x equal to negative 3 by 2. For a quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c where a not equal to 0, if alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, then sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta, that is equal to negative coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. So what is coefficient of x? That is b. And coefficient of x square is a. So alpha plus beta equal to negative b by a. Then product of zeros, that is alpha into beta, that is equal to constant term by coefficient of x square, which is same as c by a. For example, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial 2x square plus 3x plus 2, then we can find alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. That is, here for the given polynomial 2x square plus 3x plus 2, a equal to 2, which is the coefficient of x square, b equal to 3, that is the coefficient of x, and c, that is the constant term 2. Now you have studied alpha plus beta equal to negative b by a. So which is same as negative 3 by 2. And alpha into beta equal to c by a, that is 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. Now for a cubic polynomial, and you know the standard form, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d where a not equal to 0. If alpha, beta and gamma are the zeros of the cubic polynomial, then you have studied for a cubic polynomial maximum 3 zeros are there, that we are denoting as alpha, beta and gamma. Now sum of zeros, alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to negative coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube, that is negative b by a. Then alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus alpha into gamma, that is equal to coefficient of x by coefficient of x cube equal to c by a. Then product of zeros, alpha into beta into gamma, that is equal to negative constant term by coefficient of x cube. It is same as negative d by a. So you remember, here the sum means alpha plus beta plus gamma, which is negative b by a. And for the second you have written alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus alpha into gamma. So two zeros at a time we are selecting the product and their sum, which is same as c by a. And the last one is alpha into beta into gamma, which is negative d by a. Can you understand this? For example, if alpha, beta and gamma are the zeros of the cubic polynomial 4x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 1, then alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is equal to negative b by a, which is negative 2 by 4. And then next is alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus alpha into gamma, that is equal to c by a, which is 3 by 4. Then alpha into beta into gamma, that is equal to d by a, negative d by a, that is negative 1 by 4.